New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Innovative Tech YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox another security camera. Yes, it's Mi Home 360 Wi-Fi security camera. So let's get started and unbox this. So let's unbox this and see what's there inside. But before making this video, I would like to tell you, my friends, on this channel you actually see the videos for the smart home devices, and all those devices which are smart can be operated by voice commands and all. So this is one of the device which can be operated with the voice commands using your Google Home or Alexa, Amazon Echo devices. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. As you know, this is Mi Home security camera. It is 360 Mi Home security camera, which is available on mi.com and Amazon, and also on the Flipkart. I have got it from Amazon and it got delivered today. The pricing is 2699, but in discounts and all you actually get this for 2499, that is 2500. Pretty good pricing at this point, but we'll talk about it later. This camera supports a lot of features, so let's unbox it and see. I'll open the packet. It's simple packing, not very complex. Okay, and the first thing you will see is the typical orange boxing, the typical orange color box, and here is the bill. On the bill it says 2499, as you can see. Okay, so that's the bill. We'll keep it for 190, and let's do an unbox of this. So this is the camera itself, and it says that Mi Home security camera 360 AI motion detection alert, innovation for everyone, high definition. It's an HD camera, 1080p, infrared night visions, talkback feature, two-way audio is there, and then small branding is there for Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Okay, on the side again the orange box is there and it says 1080p, and this side also, top and bottom nothing is there. Let's go to the product model. It says the product model and color is white, one unit, 360 1080p. Okay, and the mentioned price here is 2899, but it is actually selling in mi.com, Amazon, elsewhere is 2699. But during the discount or the Amazon Big Billion Days, Amazon Great Indian Sales and Flipkart Big Billion Days, you will get this at 2499, and that is pretty much good price. It's actually manufactured July 2019, and it is basically imported device. Okay, so this is the front panel packet, and we have to open the seal from here and here, and one down one more seal is there. Do not accept this packet if the seal is not there. Okay, so I'll open the seal very calmly. Okay, I'm using my nails. I have a big nails. You can use your scissors. Okay, so now that I have used my nails and opened it, the first thing which you will notice is a small box here. Okay, the user manual, okay, which says everything, how to connect the camera and things like stuff. Okay, let's keep this aside. Then we'll see the small box, and this box is pretty big in size. Okay, so this is the small box. Let's keep this aside, open the camera and get a physical overview of it. Indeed, it's a good packing. Because of the packing, it is quite good and healthy out. So this is the packet itself, and again this packet is also sealed, which you can try to open it, and here we go. Open it very smoothly. I don't want the plastic to get tampered. Okay, now I have opened the device, and it's a pretty heavy camera. Okay, and looks very good. Okay, and below here you will see the memory card slot. Okay, and there is the mount which will go here. I think so that will be in the box. Power, micro USB, and this is the reset switch. Okay, the camera itself, and a microphone is also there. I think so one LED is also there, microphone and LED, and it revolves, it moves 360. This rubber padding is there, which is light coming out, don't know why. Put it inside. Yes, so this is the camera unit, nothing else in the box, but we have this small white box. I think so it will contain the charging unit. Yes, we do have the charger here, and we have the wall mounts with the screws. This can be used if you want to put on wall, but I won't be using it for wall. And let's go to the charger. Okay, so this is a standard Xiaomi charger, and it is 5 volt 2 amperes. Can be used in the mobile as well, and looks very decent, actually pretty good in quality. Okay, so this is the charger. So let's power on device and configure it and see how it works. So guys, now we have connected the camera and it is giving a signal waiting for connection. So let's do that, but before that, actually I will tell you that it will be better if we connect the micro SD card before powering it on, so that it records on the micro SD card. So you have a 32 GB here, it can support up to 64 GB. So let's try out that. So we have to take out the power cable, and we know that the power cable, if it is taken out, it is safe to put the memory card. So let's try out and put the memory card inside, and this is the memory card. So once we put this memory card inside, and then it is all good, we can power it on. Now I am actually going to power it on. Okay, so now that we have power it on, and we have opened the Mi Home app. So once you open the Mi Home app, the first thing which you will notice is to add a device. So let us wait for a time. It is actually doing its calibration.
Scan QR code or use Bluetooth to pair the device. Waiting for connection.
It says Bluetooth connection or scan the QR code. I'll go to the add device option, and I will select the Mi Home security camera. Okay, and I have already got the signal. Okay,
waiting for connection.
So this is the next, and we have to say that
connection.
So it says hold the QR code, hold the reset button for 3 seconds, and then you will get the waiting for connection. So we have already got the waiting for connection. So we'll go next, and here we will actually enter the password. So I'm going to enter the password.
Waiting for connection.
So now I have entered the password, and I will click on next. Okay, the QR code has appeared, and I will show it to camera. I think so it should get
QR code scanned successfully.
So once QR code is scanned, you will see it will be getting connected, and then we will click on next. It will take some time.
Connection to Wi-Fi completed. Pairing to account completed. Device online.
Okay, so the device has come online, and now it is connecting to the network, initializing all these things, and now it is done. Okay, so we'll select it in a kind of living room. That's the place where we want to keep it, and device name will be, okay, we'll set it as Mi camera. Okay, we'll give it as okay. Now this is done. We click on next. Share with I can share it later, so let's get started. I agree. Okay, so I have got the live view, as you can see, and I will be turning it around. So that's cool thing. Okay, so now you can see I am turning it around. You can see it better here, and it works flawlessly. Okay, and this is called monitoring, home surveillance assistant. There are a lot of features in this. We'll be going one by one. Okay, so the first thing what you will notice is you can move the camera in any directions you want. Okay, and it does work with Google Assistant and this one Amazon Alexa, so that we'll see later. So this is playback, the entire recording, and this is monitoring. As I told you, it is actually detected some surveillance area. So this is album. Okay, let's go to the more settings, camera calibration, sleep, all that things are there. And once you click on this device, you will find all the settings. So camera settings, status light, data usage warning, sleep setting, image setting, night vision setting. Then you will have home monitoring. This is the monitoring system which will put you push notifications, and storage, SD card. You can add as a network storage as well. So in this case we can add the network storage. Right now there is no network storage available, so we will see how we can add this. Instead, the SD card is always there, and it says recording mode as on. Okay, so 32 GB will be there space, and you can use that to utilize. Now comes the automation, which is the most important thing, and here we can actually add the sequence, if and then, the same like Alexa. Then we have the share device. I might share this device with my wife. And then it's a general settings. So obviously it has got a firmware upgrade, so we'll upgrade this. So that's the pretty much of it, my friends. And its camera is extremely well. I will actually show you some cool features of it with my Amazon Alexa. I will ask Alexa to show it on my TV and all, so you can see the live feed from the TV itself. So basically you will be able to watch the live footage on the Google Chromecast devices, and even your Alexa Echo Show or your Amazon Fire Stick. Yeah, you heard it correctly, on your Amazon Fire Stick. So that we are going to do in the next step. So installation is pretty simple, and the recording always happens on the SD card. You can add a NAS storage. The NAS storage, if you have at home, you can utilize it, or else I will give you an option how to set up a NAS storage. Basically, if your router has an USB port, you can set up NAS storage with that, and your router should have a gigabit port as well. So that will be in another tutorial, but this is a pretty good camera, and the quality is also good, and it's a 360 camera, so you can rotate it everywhere, and it doesn't has any lag and all. The smart home capabilities of this camera, basically the smart live view and live footage things, and also switching it off and switching it on can be tested on Alexa and Google Home. So I will do that in the next part of the video. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel and like, share our videos. Thank you once again.